had zero clue in what I was doing with this fluid pouring, but I watched a few beginner videos on YouTube. They were okay. And then I found this girl who was amazing. She made a tutorial for beginners and she explained the difference between two sets of different items that you can use. And that is the tutorial I followed because she couldn't have done a better job. Her name is Annie from Annie's Art Studio, I believe. I will leave all her information down in the description box below as usual with the video that I followed. This is my first time that I've tried this. I have, again, no clue what I was doing. I just wanted to have some fun and try something new. And I truly enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed as well. Without further ado, let's get to the video.
Welcome back to DIY No Need to Cry with Ivelisse. First time fun with fluid acrylic painting. Flip cup pour. Let's go have some fun. Hi my crafty fam, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I started off by placing a container to catch the paint that runs and placed 4 push pins on the back of an 8x10 canvas. To create the cells and mix the paint, I used 3-in-1 silicone, FLOETROL, and some plastic cups. The acrylic paints I used were matte white, bright magenta, pink parfait, metallic blue topaz, metallic amethyst, and metallic blue sapphire. I used wooden sticks to stir the paint, and I put some plastic gloves on so I wouldn't make too much of a mess of myself. The next part was mixing each individual paint color. I'll show you what I did, but I can't explain as I had no clue as to what I was doing. Like I said, I was following a tutorial myself. I forgot the water. You need water too. I only added a squirt of silicone and I still ended up getting tons of cells. It's not a bad thing. It's just a preferred thing. I guess the more you use, the more cells you get. And I'm gonna stop right there because I could be wrong. Like my sissy tells me, don't start me to lying. Once I was done mixing, I did the exact same thing to all the other colors. I then poured a little of each color into 1 cup. Once I was done with all the colors, I started again and continued this pattern until I had no more paint left. I gave it a quick stir before flipping the cup. I think I saw someone else do that and it stuck in my head, so I did it. But again, I don't know if that's necessary or not. Okay, I was so excited to get to this part. And here goes my amateur flip. Do not shake your gloves on top of your pour like I just did. That much I know. This is what I first ended up with. My first thought was, all right now, I did it. Not bad for my first time. My second thought was, I did pretty okay with the color combos too. I think with any kind of art, color combos are very important. A lot of people don't understand the role they play in any piece of art. So, it's a good idea to get to know what colors play nice together. I was happy it didn't mush all together. I had created cells, and I liked the color combo. But there were some things I didn't like. I didn't like the stretched look on some parts, and I didn't like how many cells I had. I would have liked to see less. I think I used too much silicone for what I was going for, and I didn't like all the white. Maybe I should have used less. However, this was so much fun. I just kept playing with it. What I ended up with reminded me of a coral reef, and that gave me an idea I will definitely be trying in the future. This was so much fun, and I can't wait to try some more things using this technique. If you've ever wanted to try this, you really should. It's super fun and easy with the products I used. As with every technique, there's a learning curve and practice makes perfect. So I'll be practicing some more for sure. Honestly, I miss painting on canvas. For those of you who don't know, I started off as an oil painter as a young girl, but I stopped and never got back to it. Even though it's not the same thing, it was still nostalgic for me. Okay, my crafty fam, I hope you enjoyed this technique and try it yourself. Guaranteed fun. Also, if anyone has any tips, tricks, or secret traits you would like to share with us about this technique, please feel free to let us know in the comment section below. And as always, have fun, be creative, and make a mess. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs it up, as it helps the growth of the channel, and to show your support. If you're new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing to get updates on future videos. And remember, do it yourself. There's no need to cry.